Hey guys, welcome back to Cheap Lazy Naturals. My name is Sherilyn, and today I want to share with you a recipe that I recently tried out, which is an Amla and Henna infused whipped shea butter recipe. That's a lot of words. Yeah, so this is actually my first time trying this, so you guys can just sort of learn with me and see what mistakes I make, and then you can make yours a lot better than what I am doing. So we all know the amazing properties of Henna and Amla. Amla is basically a conditioner. It helps to condition and nourish your hair, while Henna basically strengthens your hair. It's kind of like a protein treatment, but not really. So it has super strengthening properties. So I thought I would take these two and just create an amazing whipped shea butter, because I love shea butter, and then I love Henna and Amla. So this is just perfection, isn't it? Yeah. So just to get started, the ingredients that you're gonna need are some Amla powder, some Henna powder, then you're going to need some shea butter and coconut oil. So what I'm doing is that I'll be using a teaspoon of the Henna and Amla powder, and then I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of the shea butter. So those are my portions, but I'll also just ensure to include all the quantities and all the products all the ingredients I'm using in the description below. So do not fear, you don't need to quickly write it down or anything like that. So the first thing that I went ahead and did is that I took a pan and then I put it on my stove on the lowest heat. So mine is 1, so you just want to keep it as low as possible, otherwise we will burn either the oil or the herbs. So then I take my 2 henna powders, teaspoon each, and then I just sort of fry them or roast them in the pan before I add anything else. So I do that for about just a few seconds, 10 to 30 seconds should be okay. After that, I go ahead and I add in my coconut oil. So I'm using coconut oil as my base here, just so that the herbs infuse into the coconut oil. So coconut oil is also a favorite of mine. I know that not everybody loves coconut oil, so you could use other butters. You could also use an oil, which would make your whipped butter a lot smoother and a lot less dense. But I prefer a really dense butter personally. So yeah, so I'm pretty much melting the coconut oil in the pan with the herbs, and the idea here is that the herbs will infuse into the coconut oil. So just a tip here, guys. So I didn't sift out my powders. I just left them in the coconut oil and then infused it into the shea butter. So if you wanted, you could sift that out. It's totally up to you. So after that, I pretty much cook everything for 5 minutes. Honestly, I would advise even less, depending on how strong and intense your stove is. So you could definitely do it for a lot less time, between 3 and 4 minutes even. Yeah, so what you want to do is that you continuously stirring this mixture as it's cooking, just so that it doesn't burn. So continue doing that until your time is up. Once your time is up, you want to take your mixture and just transfer it into a big bowl, a large-ish bowl. So this is the bowl that you will be whipping everything in as well, so just keep that in mind. And then you just want to let the coconut oil cool down and sort of harden. So you can put this in the fridge, or you can just put it in a cool, dry place and let it harden naturally. So I think I left mine overnight and then I took it out the next night. Okay, so now we are ready to do some whipping. We're just going to add our shea butter to our coconut oil, and then we are gonna get whipping. Whip. Yeah. So yeah, you want to whip. So the key to whipping is you want to sort of already know what kind of butter you want in terms of density. I like a really dense butter, so I didn't whip it for super long. If you want a much lighter, fluffier butter, you just have to whip it longer so that there's more air into the product, and that way it will be fluffier and lighter. And then after that, you transfer it into a container of your choice and it's ready to be used. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you are actually going to try this, or if you've ever tried to infuse anything else into your shea butter. Would love to see what other things you guys are adding to these kinds of recipes. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Turn on the notification bell so that YouTube knows that you like our videos and suggests them to you every time we release them. And also guys, we're on social media. We're on Twitter, we are on Facebook and Instagram. There we just post our pictures and how our hair looks during the week and all that good jazz. So make sure you're following us there as well. Have a good day. Bye.